Hello, and welcome to Poppy Seed Mini. Today, we're gonna give this farm truck a custom makeover. Let's get this baby out of the box. The Sweet Orchard farm truck comes with a doll in a very cute dress with a denim vest. It also has a hat, a farm dog, a crate, corn cobs, and 2 bales of straw. The mirrors come separate, and there are some extra stickers in the bag. It is a very fun set. I really love the truck in red, but you'll see in the end why I changed it. To take the truck apart, flip the truck over and take the 5 screws out of the bag. Save the screws in a bag for later. To take off the wood sides, I had to cut the tabs off with an X-Acto knife. No matter how hard I tried, I couldn't get them to just pop out. Then pop the body of the truck off the frame. Once you have the body off the frame, turn it over and unscrew the dashboard. I thought they did a great job designing the dashboard. The steering wheel really turns. Pop off the grille and then the tailgate. Now we'll prep it to paint. Cover the lights with painter's tape. Then take a fine grit sanding pad to take the shine off the plastic. I really didn't like the plastic pieces that stick up on the tailgate and in the back of the truck. So I tried cutting them out with the scissors and then slicing them with an X-Acto knife, which would have worked, but it was taking forever. So I got out the oscillator and sawed them all off. I learned the hard way on this project, so I'm letting you know. Use a plastic primer before painting. I ended up peeling off my first coat of paint, which wasn't fun. It took a few hours on a nice sunny day. I primed it, and then I gave it 2 coats of the vintage teal and sealed it with a matte clear coat. Start with the inside of the truck and the tailgate, then flip them over and paint the outside. Make sure to follow all the directions on the cans or your paint could bubble. While the paint is drying, I'm going to customize the frame and grille with aluminum tape. Cut a piece of tape wider than the grille. Peel off some of the paper backing and stick it to the grille. Peel and press across. Be careful not to get any wrinkles. Take a stylus with a medium ball on it and carefully rub it across the grille to bring out the details. If you make a mistake, the tape can be peeled off and you can try again. For the frame, I added the aluminum tape to the bumpers and the steps. The best way to do the bumper is to press a piece on while the paper backing is still on to make a pattern. Cut it out and then stick it on. After I let the paint dry for a few days, I added the aluminum tape to the door handles and the back hatch and the little decals on the side of the truck. I used white acrylic paint to paint the red rims on the tires. It took a couple coats to cover the red. Then I sealed it with Mod Podge. Carefully take off the tape covering the lights. You don't want the paint to peel or your stickers to rip. Add the fog light stickers to the front of the truck. Put the stickers on the mirrors. Now let's put it back together. First, screw in the console. Then put the grille back on the front of the truck. Put the top of the truck back on the frame and make sure all the tabs are popped back into place. Flip it over and put the 5 screws back in. Then you can put the mirrors on and put the wood sides back in the bed of the truck. Now let's fix the tailgate and the bed of the truck. Take large craft sticks and cut them to fit the bed of the truck and the tailgate. Cut 4 smaller pieces for the sides of the bed. Take a towel and some olive oil to give the craft sticks a natural color. Make sure to only put it on the top of the craft sticks. Then hot glue everything into place. For the free printable for this build, go to www.poppyseedmini.blogspot.com. The link, as well as other information, is in the description box below. Take the license plates from the printable and cut them out. Cover them with tape to give them a shine. Glue the larger plate on the front and the smaller one on the back. Since it's fall, I thought it would be fun to make a pumpkin truck for the season. Take the signs from the printable and glue them to foam board. Cut out the foam board and take skinny sticks, cut them to size, and glue them on to make a frame. Take 2 pieces of wire and curve them on one side to make hooks. Glue them to the back of the large sign. Hook the sign on the wood side. I also strung some tiny leaves I got at the craft store to make a garland to drape over the sides. Now you have a perfect fall prop for Barbie photos. Or it could be a fun piece of fall decor for your house. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And have fun crafting!